We need a team down there. Where's your key man?
Another team down
Key man down that way. Key man, that is your one. Alright? Yeah. That's key man, alright? Right, this is us. Yeah, this is us. Charlie, call it. Right, this way.
Keep going. Should we
No,
just
we're
keep
going
going
this way.
This way.
Right, good.
That's good. Mark, did you not come this way? There's another path.
Let's go this way.
Another path this way. Stay frosty. You good?
Well, there's a barricade there.
Really? Go down there.
They're there already.
There's about 4 of them in there. Go next one.
Give it, Carl.
Yeah, mate. Shut the fucking head. There's about 3 or 4 barrels sitting there.
Hang on, where they at? Where they at? Call it. Where are they?
They're behind the barrels.
Where's the barrel?
Everyone's a little bit on it.
Oh shit.
No, yeah, that's uninhabitable. Chris, can you not turn that corner?
That's what I want to try and get to. As soon as I go out, I'm gonna get
Oh shit.
Yeah, he's right on the corner of that hut. Watch yourself.
Where is it?
There's a hut there. It's just on the corner. Right
Okay.
on the corner.
I'm going to run out, lads, so don't shoot me, yeah? Yeah, go on, mate.
Cool.
Yeah. You told me?
You got hit? Oh shit, yo, I must see you. Shit. Oh, you fucking bad. Sorry, guys.
Ow!
Sorry. Sorry.
I've kind of ducked to the bush for it.
Oh, you fucking rat coming towards me.
Hang on, was the little kid on your team as well? Oh, right.
Oh shit.
Where the fuck's the village?
God knows. Go full. I got full already. You get that right side, I watch this side.
Yeah.
Oh shit, hit!
Yeah.
What the fuck are you shooting me?
Yeah, I know. I see.
I got full.
I got it.
I got full. I got full. Fucking sissy behind us like, oh yeah, boy, I was doing a full burst. Easy. Chris, behind the barricades. Hey! What the? Oh shit, hey. Yeah, two in a building.